Hello and welcome to your on-the-go and informative channel, Pulse Check, where we uncover the science behind health and wellness, giving you the knowledge to take control of your well-being. Today, we're diving into a topic that could change lives: the power of food in the fight against cancer. While genetics and environmental factors play a role, research has made one thing clear: your diet can be one of the most powerful tools in cancer prevention. Scientists now know that certain foods don't just nourish your body, they actively work to protect cells, reduce inflammation, and disrupt the very processes that allow cancer to develop and grow. The connection between nutrition and cancer isn't just speculation. Studies published in the World Journal of Clinical Oncology confirm that nearly 40% of cancer cases are influenced by dietary choices. What you eat either feeds inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which drive cancer growth, or it fortifies your body's natural defenses. Foods rich in antioxidants, fiber, and specific bioactive compounds have been shown to suppress tumor formation, support immune function, and even interfere with cancer cell metabolism. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts, contain a powerful compound called sulforaphane, which has been studied extensively for its cancer-fighting properties. Research from the Journal of Nutrition and Cancer found that sulforaphane helps detoxify carcinogens, slow tumor growth, and even trigger apoptosis, the programmed death of cancer cells. In lab studies, breast cancer cells exposed to sulforaphane were significantly less likely to proliferate. But this isn't just happening in test tubes. Population studies show that individuals who regularly consume cruciferous vegetables have a lower risk of colorectal, lung, and prostate cancer. Berries, particularly blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are another powerhouse in cancer prevention. These fruits are loaded with anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that protect DNA from damage and inhibit the formation of cancerous cells. A groundbreaking study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that people with a diet rich in berries had reduced levels of oxidative stress and inflammatory markers, two key drivers of cancer. In one clinical trial, patients with precancerous lesions in the esophagus who consumed a daily berry extract showed a significant reduction in lesion size, suggesting that these compounds actively help the body repair and prevent early-stage cancer development. Another well-researched cancer-fighting food is tomatoes, thanks to their high concentration of lycopene, a carotenoid known for its potent anti-cancer effects. Studies from the National Cancer Institute have linked higher lycopene intake to a lower risk of prostate cancer, with some trials showing that men who consumed tomatoes regularly had a 30% reduction in prostate cancer risk. Lycopene works by neutralizing free radicals, reducing inflammation, and slowing tumor growth. Interestingly, cooking tomatoes, such as in tomato sauce, actually enhances the bioavailability of lycopene, making it even more effective. Green tea has long been celebrated for its health benefits, but what makes it a key player in cancer prevention is a compound called epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. Research from the British Journal of Cancer found that EGCG disrupts cancer cell signaling, preventing them from multiplying and spreading. In clinical studies, green tea drinkers consistently show lower risks of breast, prostate, and liver cancer compared to those who don't include it in their diet. The polyphenols in green tea also boost detoxification enzymes in the liver, helping the body eliminate carcinogens before they can do harm. Another dietary powerhouse is garlic, which has been studied for its ability to enhance immune function and block cancer-promoting processes. The National Cancer Institute classifies garlic as one of the strongest cancer-protective foods due to its organosulfur compounds, which have been shown to inhibit the growth of colorectal and stomach cancer cells. In one major study, individuals who consumed garlic regularly had a 50% lower risk of developing gastric cancer compared to those who rarely included it in their meals. Garlic's ability to boost immune function also makes it a powerful ally in preventing not just cancer, but other chronic diseases as well. The Mediterranean diet, rich in olive oil, nuts, fish, and fresh produce, is another prime example of how food can serve as medicine. Large-scale studies, including research published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, JAMA, found that individuals who adhere to a Mediterranean-style diet have a significantly lower risk of multiple cancers, including breast and colorectal cancer. The combination of healthy fats, plant-based nutrients, and anti-inflammatory properties creates an internal environment that is less favorable for cancer development. One of the biggest dietary culprits that fuels cancer growth is processed sugar. High sugar intake leads to chronic inflammation, insulin resistance, and an increase in insulin-like growth factor, IGF-1, which promotes tumor growth. Research from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism has shown that cancer cells thrive on sugar, using it as their primary energy source. In contrast, diets that focus on whole, fiber-rich foods with minimal refined sugar reduce inflammation and lower the risk of cancer-related metabolic disorders. It's not just about adding the right foods, it's also about limiting harmful ones. Processed meats, trans fats, and artificial additives have been directly linked to increased cancer risk. Studies from the World Health Organization, WHO, classified processed meats like bacon, hot dogs, and sausages as Group 1 carcinogens, meaning there is strong evidence linking them to colorectal cancer. Reducing processed foods and replacing them with nutrient-dense, whole foods can make a measurable difference in long-term health. Cancer prevention isn't about a single superfood or a magic pill. It's about creating a dietary pattern that supports cellular health, reduces oxidative stress, and enhances the body's natural defense mechanisms. The choices you make every day, what's on your plate, how you balance nutrients, and how you fuel your body, play a profound role in shaping your long-term health. The power of food as medicine is undeniable. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish, heal, and protect your body. Small, consistent changes, like incorporating more cruciferous vegetables, antioxidant-rich berries, and anti-inflammatory foods, can make a difference in lowering cancer risk and promoting overall health. If this message resonated with you, share it with someone who could benefit from it. Awareness is the first step toward prevention, and knowledge is the foundation of empowerment. Stay informed, stay proactive, and remember, your food choices today shape your health tomorrow. Until next time, take care, eat well, and prioritize your health.